today we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So let's get into it. First, we're going to need an eyebrow pencil. I prefer brown. We're going to need some concealer. It's called Brush. I got it from the hair store. And some Q-tips. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to start off with the eyebrow pencil. We're going to make one line up. Okay, y'all see that? All right, so then we're going to start up. We're going to make that line going across our natural eyebrow. Up. I want to did a little dip, but we ain't going to pay that mind. We're going to fix that. Okay? All right, so let's get back into it. So then we're going to make that line going down. Right, y'all see it? Okay. All right, so now back at it. We're going to go under. We're tracing our natural eyebrow. You want to add something? You can add something. If not, then don't. Y'all see how they're looking? Okay. Yes. Then we're going to go ahead and fill it in. We're going to fill in the whole eyebrow. It's coming along. It's coming along. You see it? Okay. We're going to continue filling it in. See that? Oh, I like that. Yes. Let me know what y'all think. Yes. So what? Thumbs up. We're going on to the next eyebrow. We're going to do the same process. The same process that with a one line. Okay. And y'all, this is my first time doing a voiceover for YouTube. So y'all just bear with me, okay? All right. Here we go. We're going to underline. Yeah, look at that. That's already not coming out right. No, we got to wipe that off. We got to redo that. It's okay because it's not going to be perfect, y'all. It's not going to be perfect the first time. So we're going to go over it. Okay. All right. Yep. Yeah, so I like that way better. So we're going to go ahead and shade that in. Fill that in. We're going to fill that side in. Okay, look. It ain't done yet, though. Okay. We're going to get the toothbrush. Q-tip. No, not. Okay. All right, then we got the concealer. You know, we got to, we're going to outline. I'm ready to show y'all right now. See that? We're just going to outline. We're going to do the other side. Y'all see how it's supposed to look? And then we're going to get our Q-tip and we're going to blend it in. Go under, make sure we blend it in real good. Other side, same method. Oh, can't forget the lip gloss, Luxury Lips. Finish.